Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed Tutorials. In this video, we are going to study about gene mapping from 2-point cross. Okay, so let's get started with the video. So basically, what is 2-point cross? 2-point cross is the cross between two locus. Okay, on chromosomes. Two loci on chromosomes. So what is loci? Loci means positions. Okay, loci means positions. Suppose we take here. This is a chromosome, right? And these are the two loci. Okay, basically two genes, and their alternative form alleles. Okay, right. So between this cross, there is these are the two. This is a cross between two loci, and thus this is known as 2-point cross. Okay, so basically capital A, small a. Okay, this is a recessive, and capital A is dominant. So this is for normal pods. We are taking P plant, again P plant, Pisum sativum, right? So this is normal and this is narrow pod, as well as B. B is for green and small b is for yellow color. Okay. So now there is a cross between this two true breeding. Okay, true breeding means homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive, right? This is with normal green phenotype, and this is narrow yellow. Okay, we know this will give only this gamete, right? So I will write here, this is a P1, these are the gametes formed by this. Then what will be the F1? AA, BB, right? This is again normal green, right? Then this will be test cross. Okay, test cross, always with recessive. This is a test cross, right? So test cross. After the test cross, what happens? That we will see in the new slide properly. Right. So what is the F1? We know this is the F1, right? This is a recessive. This is a test cross. Okay. Then this will give gametes. What are the gametes? Capital AB, small ab, right? Then one small, one capital, one small. Okay, so these are half parental, half recombinants, and this will give only this type of gamete. Then they will come together, and like the genotype should be formed. Okay, so I will just write here, right, right, again, okay, again, okay, that's it. So we know these are parental, and these are recombinants, right? Okay, so now what data we have got here? A, A, B, B. This is narrow, normal green. Okay, normal green. Then And there is one mistake. Not like this. Here will come A A B B. Right? Likewise here also A A B B. These are narrow yellow. Okay. Then it is better to write in full forms. Normal green. Right? And here is narrow yellow. Okay. Then again we will write here this is narrow green. Narrow green. And normal yellow. Okay. So these are the four genotypes. So now what we are having data here. Okay. As we know, these are the parental. These are parental and these are recombinants. Right? And what we are having data here is that 4 4 5 4 5 5 and this recombinants 51 49. So this is the data given, right, from a test cross. See, this is the same type of question we want to find. What we want to find here, recombination frequency we want to find, and we want to find map distance or gene distance, we can say distance between two genes, right? So as we know, the formula is for recombination frequency. What is the formula? First recombinants 51 plus 49 divided by all total offerings into 100, right? Okay, so what will be the answer here? 51 plus 49 100 and total offerings 1000 into 100 is equal to okay, cut two zeros from here, two zeros from here, right? Then what comes the answer? 10%, right? So this is recombination frequency, and then recombination frequency is 10%. So map distance is equal to 10 cm. Okay, centimorgan, right? So this is the answer. Recombination frequency is 10% and map distance is 10 centimorgan. So basically, what about the gene order? Why we did not find the gene order in this? Since there are only two genes, you cannot find the gene order. Okay, two genes are just located, right? And the distance between two genes. Okay, suppose this is a map of this 2-point cross. Here is gene A and here is gene B. And distance between this is 10 centimorgan. Okay, it can be anything, A, B or B, A, anything. So between this, there is distance of 10 centimorgan. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. In the next video, we will see 3-point cross. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.